Dear friends, hello everyone. Now I will assemble a video of the machine for everyone. Open the acrylic lid and remove all the parts inside. Open the oven lid and remove the inner paper roll component. Install the oven handle according to the hole position, and secure it with 2 hexagonal screws. Install the handle of the acrylic baffle according to the hole position, and secure it with 2 screws. Install the silver smoke exhaust funnel and secure it with a silver buckle. Tighten the screws on the silver buckle for fixation. Remove the 4 screws from the machine. Install the paper receiving support bracket and secure it with 4 screws. Remove the 4 screws from the machine. Install the paper receiving support bracket and secure it with 4 screws. Place the circular fixed shaft inside the support frame, and secure it with screws. Place the circular fixed shaft into the paper receiving machine. Please note that the one with the rotating motor is installed on the right side. Place the installed paper harvester in the support frame. Fix with 2 screws. Insert the power cord of the paper receiving machine into the dedicated insertion port of the machine. Plug in the power cord of the machine and power it on. Now turn on the power switch button, as well as the dust removal button switch, shake switch button, and oven temperature switch button. We can see a significant change in the brushing speed by adjusting the dusting speed. We adjust the brushing speed based on the printing speed of the machine. We can see a significant change in rotational speed when adjusting the shaking speed. The temperature has been set before leaving the factory. If secondary adjustment is required, it can be adjusted by itself. It is recommended not to exceed 130 degrees Celsius. Pour the hot melt method into a dedicated location, and the hot melt adhesive powder should not be too much. Simply add it according to the printing amount, usually around 250 grams. Place the reel into the paper receiving machine, and tighten the screws of the paper receiving machine to secure it. Turn on the switch of the paper receiving machine. You can see a sensor inside the hot melt adhesive powder bin. The sensor senses the film paper, and the paper receiving machine will rotate and store the film paper. Pass the film paper through the powder brushing area, pass it through the oven, and finally reach the paper receiving motor. Fix the film paper on the reel of the paper receiving machine with adhesive tape.
Now that the machine has been installed and can be used normally. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.